Namar ke jingwan ke Khlam COVID-19 hakini ki arsnem banalen amla banlen bakayok kakot jungkinong song kala Hiar haduk kata-kata kamtam ki bapenlet jingmut hakikam Jngohkai Pyrthei. Lanau kani ke Khlam kan kutno amla bantim hendrai menta kata yo ngin pen ibiang shapi ya kawe ke snong hakani ke Jylla ka baki nong song kila tre sitom sisa ban kentiu ya kakam Jngohkai Pyrthei haka snong jongki. Mentapan kumno ki im bat kamai lese ke sorkar kala dai ban pai khamat sakini ki bentaru
kani ke snong ka tip kertengya ka kum ke snong pedeng kabadan haka rilum jentia bat ka bahab apo ka amlaram civil subdivision haka district West Janta Hills kadi ke snong ka bajngai kum ba khandai po kilometer ai na ka nong ba shlong ladaya lengti lengba ka pun ursla dauki kani ke snong kabadan harut ka ba umngot ka batut arsut sakri Bangladesh ka jingdan kene ko wa harut jong snong kala long ka jingker khui kinong song snong jong snong pedeng namar da ka jing i jingai kinong senchar snong nado ki khandiat snam balala rengkat ka jing arab jong sarkar ala ban pen kelai kene ka snong kum ka wei na ki jaka Jngohkai Pyrthei lat na ka wa omngot ha kene ka snong om da don ai palat hendrai da ka jing penon kam kat kum ka juk jing start ka bamenta ke brio ku wan kai skene ke snong ke penlut ke sngi kamiet tang ha ke jingila kai ha
dan syuken ha Pyrthei kuma pakuri kasih nang te syadu syate namingi syadu sepmi dan syuken ha Pyrthei kuma pakuri kasih kik syat kiwa kitwei baju sumki puri play
ba ngetip na departemen jeng long ba kani snong jeng kadi snong ko ba ruspa ha ka jindon jeng mai mariang namar departemen jeng long ba start nadu po mensua namar ba disha kane ka reserve jeng hang ne ka wa mot kemudian hang ne ki departemen jeng kilabat ya ka ha ka ba district usul kamla bandi ya ka kidok kha dok nat kemudian hang ne ka reserve kin amla ban di dalam kumba kidi se bentar bistis po te kala dia lupa ka jingker khuyang te lor ba kilum ki wa ki kring ya ki bri banabar ki tang suan sing ni ki tenat de ka jing tenat jung ne jika jung sene kala pelong pade yang da ka we pat kaliang kalong ba ngimpel perkhat ba ngimpel perkhat ba wan ka jingker khuyang sing ni da ka jing don community ni mariang te kala de kanusip yang ki mung song bangi ba song ni
ki babon hi ki patba ki bawan tu connection ha ka por liur ki kham penut por ha ka kwai do bat nalor kani ki penut poru ha ka basong liang rengkat ki lat jingada da ka phongru ki life jacket nangta ha ka bajingi ka scuba diving bat ka zip lining
impor perkhat ba ki bri ku banabar ha ku wan kai sine ku wan kai ku mar kum tu te da ka jingwan jungki ki ai musim yangi bagin kentiu ya ka bang long kum ka we ni jika Jngohkai Pyrthei ba kane skui kampat tu jingmu jum khat jungi de hadin ke jingwan jung jason namare ba ka jing testom jong khna samla jong snong ha ba ka na ko pos ku khut snong ka thau te ka jing khut jong snong ka thau ka long ka jing khut jong snong thau kala de ka we kalat ka ba khring ya ki bri banabar ban pek snong jingi ban tip do jing khut jong snong jingi te kata kala de lupa ka jing ban kong ban jam ban po sing thang
ka jingdon kene ko wa harut kene ka snong bat ka jing pen kelai ka sakakam Jngohkai Pyrthei da ka baseng ru ka kun huan ka bakerpang ban khmi kene ka kam kata ka snong pedeng tourism development society kalau wanra asisha ka jing kala kene ka snong Kabaladon kumba shispa laipo teli kilong yeng. Namar kumba kalong menta, kinong shnong ki babon hinaki. Kila yo akam yo ajam da kabayeng hala ki jongki kejat. Khlam da kmi shu iki kam sarkar. Hangne pila bani i beginong shong shnong kila seng la ki jongki dukan, kentup naduk ki barit, haduk ki baher. Ki badie ki bam, bat ki we de ki mar ki mata.
Nah jumut society adalah men kentiu susu jaga hukum terakhir hukum kita jaga kibriu bawan nang ban keren penjan mom begitu kibriu bawan najangan ni keren don buram ni batai gitu ya baru kibriu pak snor batai katang safety ban hiar seum ban sangling
Nalor ki kam khayi herot wa Wat apo ka wa ru kadon la ka jong kalat kamai ya kinong shong shnong. Haga bagi samla shenrang bat kirang ba. Kidegi maji king liang banyalam penshong liang ki briau ki buan nabar. Kal bagi kentai pat halaki liang kilet desha hasilen terjong negawa. Ya kinong Jngohkai Pyrthei kum jo ru ya ki rawon ki bakwai do.
Tanah deh, tating.
Ada amoy dah.
Tating ngit.
Ada deh.
Hai tuan.
Ngi bersuan belang, suan belang kita tu kita terus pak kita belang yang ni, tengi wan ban dilik syasan syawat.
Tolong menurut kibriu wan ki long kit asam tu dia.
Kia setenan kebiang yang malam-malam.
Tolong tolak sih.
San peu kum tu, san peu. Hak sis ngai.
Sampo pula.
Hai.
Ki jimbam ni.
Jimbam ya di bunjan.
Asam ini mas.
Syadut ni di sebab tengkah syasau san nangkah sepela. Bat ka jimbam ya ken ka syadut ken arpeu ka syasau sepeu.
Jimbam tu
Lu nggak sampai untuk kau dan kepor arspa laispa untuk lalu
Nalor ki jingil akai hapo Shashiliang jog ne kawa donru ka jaka ka bakerpang balit sa pengat ni ban penlong ya ka camping. Haga bal penbiang ru ya ki yeng share dara ni kitchen hala ki jong ki jinghe.
Hadu menta de kajing ngilam dong ba kadai tang kajing len la de jong ki nong snong jong hang ne kamtam ki samla ki bala ban wan ra kajing tuli ban shimi ka benta ban khoi tu tan ek snong ka thau harang ka kajing don lang jong skim MREGS malum mala te kata ka we long ka ba ni dala de yala de yeng la ka jong ki jat ta hadu menta Menen kalian ka tulis department kam sim la phai khamat shengi wala ka sarkar na ka por ka yo ngisu benah ki khubor ngisu benah ki advertisement ha ki social media ba ka sarkar long ka kwat promote yo tourism ndai til det hadu mentangi i ba kata ka jitmu jeng ka put le sitang ka khubor tingi kwa mo ba kum gung song song hangne ba lada ka jitmu jeng sarkar ka long kum ta kala de ben wan sine kala de ben wan on the spot kala de ben on ki du bat ni khnang ba long Kene kajingdon juga memang jungi hangne kan om no bat kan om du no tang sam snem ne shpo snem
Haka ayom bag shit ka beleng ki baboni ki pat ba ki belit ka shakne ka jaka ki pelot khambun ka por ha ki jingil akai ha Hendrai ka ne ka por kriat ka bamentapan ka ba kham kringi ki pat ba ka de namar ka jing itanat ka ne ka wa namar hakum ka ne ka por ka ka ne ka wa ngot ka sngur bat ka khoj hadu kata hadu bala ban iling ba shadu shatrai jong ka ne ka wa
See, first of all, we want to promote tourism in Shillong, in Meghalaya. Okay, but we wanted to bring in something different again. So we wanted to bring in scuba diving. Okay, and of course with camping. That was the main plan. So we had surveyed all over Meghalaya, but we found that Shillong Padang is one of the best places because of the crystal clear waters. Okay, so we started in 2011, and till now we've been diving successfully. So the main idea is to do something adventurous, but then something different also.
Tingilak pun orang sini ba ngidon season ke tourism. Kali season. Nama ke season mentang ilak pun orang ke season ke start mentang November kan kut hadu April fast season. Kata kali especially nak bentar jong ini tourism ke bawan ki Jngohkai ke bawan Pyrthei ke bawan Bamkhana ke bawan Shijing System family skopol kumto. Te kan start pada nudu Mei, June, July sedurang hadu ki benai Oktober kadai ke fishing season. Tengiu art lagi di season ketulun. Te kalau dia lupa kalat hi. Nak bentar kalau dia lupa kalat ai kam ai jam ke samla jeng. Ki bulan hepok jeng ni senang. Bat ngimla belen ni kata. Te buat ki beri manobar apa pik duk ki i dia kisah.
Kalong shisha ke jengker kui ki nong chong shnong jong ke shnong pedeng ban yo ke ne ka wa harut jong ke shnong hendrei ka bakong san mentapat kalong baki trai shnong ki don ru ke jengkit khle ban penne ke ne ke jing itnat bat ke jing buram kaliang ru ya ki nong Jngohkai Pyrthei knang ba ke jengker khu nong bu nong thau kan om sep ei ne du no hakikti jong uben rio
How a bed ye nong nga đập địch men ways now sarong la de to so dong Pyrthei kleng wam em kai nong How a bed ye nong nga đập địch men ways now sarong la de to so dong Pyrthei kleng wam em kai nong
It's a beautiful place. We actually have been to Shillong before, but this is the first time that I'm coming here, and very glad that I came here because mostly we want to do adventure sports, and I've done scuba diving once before, but I'm looking forward to this place. And we did some cliff jumping and some kayaking, and hopefully we'll do some zip lining as well.
We came to know about this place from the internet, through the internet. This place is nice. We have I've tried cliff jumping for the first time. Scuba diving I was going to try for the first time. I would like to recommend everyone to come here who comes to Meghalaya.
It's very far from Rajasthan, so I never came to. They'll not tell me, and it's really beautiful. Because that is a desert area and it's like hills and everything. We had so much fun. That first day was in Shillong and second was in Mawphlong. We had track. Third was in Cherrapunji. That was really nice. And the fourth was in here. We had cliff jumping. That was really awesome. I tried for once, twice, thrice, and many times. It was awesome. Yeah.
As you could see, we tried the adventure sports and I was freaking out a hell lot. Well, I tried cliff jumping for the first time and kayaking. It's been a nice experience. Yeah, for sure. I would recommend to everyone else on my, my relatives and my friends as well. Well, I'm looking forward to the scuba diving for now because that's what I came for. I was like, okay, I'm going to do it today. And so let's see what happens because the visibility is quite towards the lower side. So let's see.
Simply go while you're on. Hey, sir, what man? Like